right now we're looking at Bart. So Himax is actually investing with this company. Tell me a little bit about it.
Yes, I'm with Calumino, and with Calumino we've developed a disruptive thermal technology.
Okay.
So it sees heat instead of light. We spent the decades and millions of dollars to bring a new way of thermal sensing to the world.
Okay.
It is disruptive because we offer the performance of military-grade technology at the cost of a thermal pile. So we want to bring thermal technology to mass market applications.
You said military grade. Does that just mean rugged? Is extra thick material? What are we looking at there?
No, we talk about sensor performance.
Okay.
So we have a patented new operating principle based on proprietary micromirror chip. So it's a fully optical operating principle. So it means no electronics inside. So the signal is very, very stable. So we see temperature difference in the tens of degrees.
Okay, wow.
And that means that even though we have low resolution, we can do highly effective analytics. So for example, when it comes to live detection, human or animals, we can do that without invading privacy, but still very reliably with low resolution.
So that's incredible. Okay, so this is the guy right here?
So Himax is one of our investors, but also a technology partner. So under the hood is obviously our micromirror chip.
Right.
But we utilize Himax CMOS imager in this sensor. Himax CMOS is the lowest power CMOS you can get. So we've been able with this new generation sensor to cut the power consumption by a factor 10. Wow. And we have integrated with Himax WiseEye2 processor, which is an ultra low power IoT processor, and this is where we typically run our human detection and counting algorithms.
Incredible. So we could expect to be able to mount this guy onto some equipment and have it basically just sip power all day.
Yes.
Okay.
So I mean, ultimately, so we offer the component to integrators to build plug and play products.
Right.
And then typically it evolves around two, let's say, use case areas. One is temperature monitoring, and the other one is live detection, whether it's human, animals.
Yeah.
And that is something that we run on the Himax WiseEye2.
Awesome.
And then our customers build meaningful hardware and software solutions around that.
Right on. That's been Bart. Thank you very much, sir. You have an excellent day.
Thanks.